The Youngstown State University Honors College is pleased to present Storytime from Folk Hall, the home of the Honors College, and from the homes of our alumni near and far. We hope the sharing of stories from members of the honors community brightens your day.
Baking day at Grandma's. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Bundle up, it's time to go out across the drifts of snow. Past the pond so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Knock, knock, knock on Grandma's door, hear the pat across the floor. Plant a kiss on Grandma's nose, cozy fire warming toes. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Pass out aprons, 1, 2, 3. Grandma reads the recipe. Flour, sugar, butter, and eggs stand on chairs with tippy legs. Wooden spoon and measuring cup, mix the batter, stir it up. Fold it gently in the pan. Lick the spoon because we can. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Hop down from the tippy chair, smell the sweetness in the air. One hot cocoa at each place, frosty window, smiley face. Old-time music, soft and sweet, skippy notes and tapping feet. Learning songs that Grandma sings when the kitchen timer rings. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Flip the pan and out it pops. Cut in squares and frost the tops. Add some sprinkles, wrap each one. Tie a ribbon, nearly done. Tasty treats in pretty bags, each one marked with little tags. Coats and boots and hats and gloves. The hugs we know that Grandma loves. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Walking home under the moon, back to visit Grandma soon. I am a rainbow. Colors make up our whole world, everything we say and do. But did you know each boy and girl is made of colors too? When I'm tickled pink, it means I'm feeling dandy. Everything is great and as sweet as cotton candy. But guess what happens when my sister pulls my hair? Then I turn red. I'm as angry as a bear. If Mommy says, time out, I point out, minute or two, then I get bored and sad, and I feel kind of blue. Sometimes I get jealous, then I'm feeling green. That happens when I'm left out of a happy scene. When I'm feeling scared, kids call me yellow, but I can find my courage and be a brave fellow. When we play together, it makes me feel so cozy. My mood is joyful and everything is rosy. So remember as you go from hue to hue that each and every person has feelings too. It's not always up to you the way that you feel but how you act is a different deal. So be a rainbow, shine above, and filter all your glow through love. It's nature's way, these colors you show, so simply say, I'm a rainbow. Pouch. When he was a brand new kangaroo, Joey lived in a pouch, until one day, he peeked out and saw the world, and his mama smiling down at him. Mama, I want to hop, said Joey. He climbed out of the pouch and took 2 hops to the tall grass. Who are you? Pouch, said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 3 hops to the little hill. Who are you? He said to the rabbit. Pouch, said Joey, but soon he wanted to hop again. He took 4 hops to the sandy hollow. Who are you? He said to the bird. Pouch, said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 5 hops to the pasture fence. Who are you? He said to the kangaroo. Pouch, said the 2 kangaroos. Wait, said Joey, you were afraid of me too? And they laughed. Then they hop, 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 hoppity hopped everywhere. Pouch, said mamas. No thanks.
Hi, my name is Chisa, and I'll be reading Biscuit's Day at the Farm. Come along, Biscuit. We're going to help on the farm today. Woof, woof. We can feed the hens, Biscuit. Woof, woof. We can feed the pigs too. The pig pen is empty, Biscuit. Where can the pigs be? Woof, woof. Funny puppy. You found the pig and the piglets too. Woof. Let's feed the goats, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Oink. Oh, Biscuit, the piglet is out of the pen. We must put the piglet back. Woof, woof. Let's feed the sheep, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Oink. Oh no, Biscuit, it's the piglet. We must put the piglet back one more time. Woof, woof. Here are the geese, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Oink. Here is the piglet again. Woof, woof. Oink, oink. Honk. Wait, Biscuit. The geese are just saying hello. Woof. Silly puppy, the piglet is back in the pen. And so are you, Biscuit. Oink. Woof, woof. Piglets are sleeping. I think that's the end. Hello, my name is Chisa Echendu, and I'll be reading The Cool Dinosaur Campout. It's one of my favorite books. So, turtle hint. One dinosaur is missing from the campout. Look at the numbers in the words and pictures to help you guess. Which dinosaur will come back to end the day just right? It is time for us to go camping, said Turtle. Yippee! Shouted his friends, the 10 dinosaurs. Can you see the 10 dinosaurs? Dinosaur 10 knew a very good place to camp. I bet I'll be the first one to set up my tent, he smiled. It's Dinosaur 10. Dinosaur 5 used sticks and some string to make a table between two trees. Dinosaur 8 led a hike up a grassy hill and rolled all the way down the other side. Done, said a voice from a bush. What was that? Asked Turtle. You see Dinosaur 3 and Dinosaur 8 and 9. Dinosaur 7 found a splashy waterfall. That was fun to play in on a hot day. Dinosaur 3 saw a tree with lots of branches. This tree is just right for climbing, she said. Night, someone said. Who was that? Asked the dinosaurs. Dinosaur 2 got busy and made a big pot of dinosaur stew. That looks yummy. Dinosaur 9 led the way to a small volcano, so the dinosaurs could roast dino mallows. I wonder if those taste like marshmallows. Dinosaur 4 told funny jokes and some not very scary stories. It was time to go to bed. The dinosaurs climbed into their tents. Not a peep, hissed a voice from the dark. Who are you? Asked Dinosaur 1. We don't know who you are. Who do you think is missing? You do know me, laughed the voice. I am one of the 10 dinosaurs too, and I am getting ready to sing the goodnight song with you. The dinosaurs all sang together. The day's done, we had fun. All is right, say goodnight and sleep tight. Close your eyes, not a peep. Go to sleep. Can you figure out which dinosaur is missing? That song is a nice way to end the day, said Turtle. But which dinosaur are you? Who do you think led the singing? It was 6, the singing dinosaur. That's the end.
Hello, I'm Nick Pescor, and I'm going to be reading Walt Disney's Pedro.
Thank you for watching Storytime, a new program designed to help with literacy and learning, brought to you by the Honors College at the Youngstown State University. The YSU Honors College provides highly motivated students with opportunities to deepen their learning and develop to their full intellectual and cultural potential. Students also contribute to the community by service projects such as Storytime. The college is committed to creating an environment welcoming to and supportive of students from diverse backgrounds. Storytime airs Mondays at 6 p.m. See you next time.